Let me show you how we can add outline to a text box in Canva. When you click on your text, you will see option to add effects to it here at the top. And there is the effect that you may use straight away. If you want to have some kind of backdrop behind the text, there's a backdrop effect here when you can set up the roundness of it, how far from the text it will spread. If you put the maximum value, you will get this perfect rectangle, let's say, and transparency of it. I use 100% opacity and then set up the color to the one I need. Let's put something dark so you can see this exactly. All right, so here it is. First slide, the roundness of the corner all the way down to 100 to give you this kind of shape. Second one, spread how far away from the text this backdrop will be. And then transparency. Just put on 100 and use the color below if you want a certain color. Alright, so that's one way of doing that. Second way, if you need only the outline around the letters, change the effect to this one, outline, and it's simple outline around the letters. And you can modify the color here. Or if you are like power users, you want an independent control on that kind of outline. Or maybe you don't want backdrop like that. You just want empty area and then another line around it, right? So in that case, we can head with non-effect, add additional element like this little square, stretch it to cover the text, and then we need to move the position below the text. So let's go backwards until we see the text again. All right, and this will be our outline. So I just need to kick out the fill color, transparency, and then I use the line color on it. All right, and some of you searching for effect like this. Of course, we can still round the corners if you like, and this way you can have independent control on this outline, and you can place it exactly where you want. You can add rotation. This is separate object from the text, so give you more options to work with. All right, so there are two ways you can add extra kind of outline using effects, but if you need like space between the text and the outline, you can head with the separate shape like this. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.